In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your TikTok profile. Maybe you want to promote your account so that most people can find you. Let's get started. In this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open the TikTok app. Okay. After opening the TikTok app, what you want to do is to click on your profile to the very far right at the bottom. It has a human symbol with a text written profile. Just click on it. Then click on the three bars at the top. We normally call them the hamburger sign. Okay. Then click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down. Now, under account, you will see this button for share profile. The fourth button under the account section. Just click on share profile. Okay. By doing this, now you will be choosing where you want to send that link. Maybe you want to send that link to WhatsApp. You want to copy the link. You want to send it to Facebook, Telegram. It's your choice. You decide what to do. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel because it really helps us.